How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to an incredibly hot and sticky Bangkok. Now, there's been one place that I just keep getting drawn back to time and time again since being here in Bangkok over the last couple of weeks, and that is Chinatown. Just this melting pot of chaos, movie-like scenes and everyday life, an absolute paradise for street photography. And I thought it was only right to try and do this place the justice that it deserves by having a whole video set here. So that's the plan for today, to spend day to night in and around Chinatown, getting lost within the endless alleyways that surround this place. And I'm actually shooting on a brand new camera, which I'll touch on briefly in a little bit, but the light's just pouring on to the main street here in Chinatown. So we'll get started off there, get warmed up, and then we'll just see where today takes us. Before we move on with the video, I'm just jumping on real quick to let you know that I have just updated my Journey Collection preset pack with 3 new presets and some updates and tweaks to the existing collection up until the 1st of December. So for the next week or so, they're also going to be 40% off over on my website. So if you like the look of the images in my videos and you want to support the channel, then I'll leave a link in the description below that will take you directly to my website, where the discount will be automatically applied. I also wanted to say a massive thank you for the support and to everybody that's tuned in this year, because I remember saying at the back end of 2024 that I was going to post more frequently and more regularly this year, and I haven't exactly done that. But there's a video coming at the back end of 2025 which will probably explain why I haven't been so frequent. But I've got a massive December coming with new videos, and I've got a lot of videos that are sitting in the backlog from some incredible places that I visited this year. So yeah, I just wanted to say thank you, and I hope you enjoy the Bangkok video. So now I've warmed up in more ways than one, let's address the new camera situation. Yes, I've bit the bullet and purchased the Sony A1 Mark II. Now, I'm not going to go too much into it in this video, but what I can say is that after shooting pretty much exclusively on the A7CR and the A7C II over the last year, albeit the A7 IV for my commercial work, this is going to sound absolutely ridiculous to say, but it feels so good to be shooting with what feels like a proper camera again. Now, this camera is incredibly expensive and definitely not for everyone. To be honest, it has so many bells and whistles that I'm probably not even using it to its full potential yet. But over the last couple of years since starting out on YouTube, I've always carried 2 camera bodies with me: a dedicated video camera, the ZV-E1, and a dedicated stills camera, the A7 IV, the A7C Mark II, whatever. Now, both of those cameras shoot incredible photo and video and are perfect for hybrid shooting, but in a place like Bangkok, especially Chinatown, moments happen so quickly that I can't really afford to be switching from camera to shoot video here and try and capture the same moment on another camera for the still. So it's been really nice to have Sony's top features and all the fancy bells and whistles in one body and seamlessly switch between photos and video. As I mentioned, this camera is certainly not for everyone, but we'll leave that discussion for another day. Like I say, I'm absolutely loving this camera, and it's been an absolute dream to shoot on. Saying that, it bloody wants to be for the amount of money that I've paid for it. Forgot how good it is to have a camera that has a screen like this. I mean, this thing can go like any way you want, but that capability to have a screen like that just makes it so much more stealthy when you're out in situations like this. I wish and pray and beg that when Sony bring out the next A7C camera, the A7C III, whatever, it has a screen like that, because that camera is so perfect for not making you look like a photographer. If it was to have that flip screen up, instead of having to fold it out then flip it up, and you're like looking over one side, it would just make that camera absolutely perfect. So this is Hua Lumpong train station. Now I really hope that I haven't butchered the pronunciation of this, but what an incredible place to photograph. It is literally like going back in time. I've no idea how long these trains have been in working order for, but they're still in action today by the looks of it, which is pretty amazing. But yeah, like I say, a magical place to photograph. It's incredibly dark inside, but the light kind of like pours in from the end of the platform and cascades overhead from these beautiful old stained glass windows. Absolutely incredible place to photograph. I've spent hours here, and I could easily spend another couple just waiting for moments to appear. It has been so nice to get out of the sun for the last couple of hours and explore this absolute maze of side streets and back alleys and capture some really authentic everyday moments. There seems to be a lot of businesses sort of below people's houses, steelwork businesses, car parts, you know, engine refurb. It's been really nice to sort of see those moments unfold and capture some everyday moments. But the sun is starting to set, so I'm going to head back over where we started this morning to the main street of Chinatown, capture some final moments as the sky gets darker and the neon turns up, and grab the most elite, legendary barbecue pork bao bun that I've ever eaten in my entire life. Right, I'm done. I'm tapping out there. The bao have been secured, but more importantly, I need to get back to my hotel and take a shower ASAP because I'm absolutely disgusting, honestly, stinking. But I hope you've enjoyed today's video. I honestly don't think I'll ever get bored of coming back and photographing this place. Chinatown is truly a magical part of Bangkok. All of the images from today's video were edited with my Journey Collection preset pack. The link is in the description below for those. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed it. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one.